Okay guys, so in today's video I will show you exactly how to use Canva and ChatGPT to make stunning graphic designs, right? Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to sign into your Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, you can create one. It's completely free. I'm using a pro Canva account. So this is my account and I'm currently signed in on this account, right? The next thing you want to do is to go to your ChatGPT, then you click on plugins. Once you click on plugins, it will take you to this section. Then you come to this search plugins here and you search for Canva, right? Search for Canva. Now, for the purpose of this video, I've not connected my Canva, so I will just click on this plus button here. And then this is the pop-up you see. Sign in with Canva. So it will take me to a page where I'll authorize the integration. Allow. So I'll just click on allow here. Authorization successful. So I've successfully connected my Canva to my ChatGPT, right? Now let's go to new chat. Let me show you how to use this connection. So I want to create a thumbnail for this video. I've generated my design prompts with Gemini AI. So I'll just copy this prompt and then paste it here on ChatGPT and send. Okay, so let's just wait for ChatGPT to generate this design. Perfect. This is perfect, right? So we've generated um we've generated the thumbnail we'll be using for this video. Now if I want to edit this on Canva, I will just come here to this ask anything, click on art, then tag Canva, then Canva, I would say make this editable and send. Now okay, now always allow. So it will open the Canvas interface on this ChatGPT's platform and then I would open it on Canva. Let me show you. It's still loading. Okay, this is what it looks like now. Now for sometimes sometimes you see it as a link here like this. Sometimes you see it as an interface, but for this purpose, ChatGPT gave us as a link. So once I click on this link, edit in Canva, you would see open link. You would see this design on the Canvas platform. So it's still loading. Exactly. So this is it. So from here you can edit, you can remove whatever you don't want from the design. You can add whatever you feel like adding. So let me just add something to the design. What I did was I copied this text and I paste like Control V, Control C and Control V. So I will just add let me add my IG handle. I'll just add, I don't want this to be all caps, so I'll just edit it here. Right. Amadi underscore Chigozure. Right. So that's my IG handle. I'll just align that to this text here. Right. Okay. So that is how you edit your designs from Canva and ChatGPT, right? let me just take this off. It doesn't fit in. So if you want to export this, let me just rename this to um, design with Canva and ChatGPT, right? So I've renamed it. To download this picture now, you just click on share, click on download, then you click on download, and then voila. That is how to download um, your designs with Canva. Now, very simple process, right? If you found this video useful, don't forget to follow me for more videos like this, because I'll be dropping a whole lot of videos around working with AI as a social media manager, as a digital marketing strategist as well. Thank you.